in our Sri Amoga College, students of MPC as well as the students of CEC will be equally treated. Our civics ma'am, namaste. Everything she explained like God, sir. There are subjects in law, and I will write that points only she teach at that time.
What pulled you towards law? What made you even think that you wanted to become a lawyer?
You can see from the time of independence, in every aspect, there are lawyers, and they are the social reformers basically.
I have always seen Sriram as a very studious student, very focused, very clear what he wanted to do. What made you choose CEC?
Actually, sir, dad is actually is an associate professor at a business school, sir, and he loves reading books, and he loves acquiring more and more degrees. And in the process, sir, while I was studying some 7th or 8th, he started doing LLB.
Okay.
And he completed his LLB in my 10th class. And all these years, means the main years, influencing years, that is 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, I was seeing my dad studying all these LLB books and etc. So I was influenced greatly. Like Constitution of India, the main book which I was inspired a lot. Means
Okay.
it explains the basic structure of our country. I studied various things like not only the constitution regarding different codes and etc. And I also studied some constitutions of different countries. What articles are taken from that country's constitution into our country's constitution? Like it's a comparative study. So I have done it before 10th class only because in our 10th class social, I think we will be having some relative subject in the Constitution of India and etc. So I studied, and when I'm about to complete my 10th, sir, there are different options before me. Like many are saying, take MPC, you will be having a huge scope. Like you can do law as well as engineering, and if you don't get a seat in CLAT or some law set or some any other thing, you will be having an option of engineering and etc.
Correct.
But sir, I'm too focused towards law. In the CAC, Civics, Economics and Commerce stream, the main thing is civics, sir. Civics is basically what is constitution. And after my 10th, sir, means this different colleges approached me. They were saying that take MPC, or we are not having, since we are not having CC, we can't offer you. Instead, you take MEC, Maths, Economics, Commerce, but there is no civics aspect in it. So what's the use? And one day when we are in school, sir, you and your team, means our Sri Amoga team, came to our school, and I was inspired by that lecture. And at the last, you gave one slip to me, means which subject you are, which stream you are interested in. I suddenly saw CC and I generally ticket and I gave it to you. I gave it to you.
Wow.
And sir, after that I came to home and I have said to dad regarding this college and etc. And he also saw. And our faculty members, Pawan sir and Suman sir, have come to our home, and they also have introduced about the college and etc. And sir, they also explained that in our college, means in our Sri Amoga College, the students of MPC as well as the students of CEC will be equally treated.
Yeah.
Not like the remaining colleges, because sir, regularly we will be observing that this MEC and CEC they will be taking together, sir, and they will be more focusing on that MEC students only, and they will take CEC classes so light. So that they will keep them aside, and they will sit outside and you read civics. But in our CEC, sir, our civics ma'am, namaste.
Yes.
She is so great. She is so great that everything she explained like God, sir. Now also I will remember, and now also there are subjects in law, and I will write that points only which she teach at that time. That's why, sir, I am too impacted by the college.
Beautiful. What pulled you towards law? What made you even think that you wanted to become a lawyer?
No, sir. Actually, basically, there are many social issues, sir. Means in the first semester of law, we will be generally dealing with the art subjects, not directly with the law subjects. First, we will be having pre-law subjects. like a history, as well as history of courts, as well as a legal language and etc. These are the small law subjects, and in that subjects, they describe lawyer as a social engineer. You can see from the time of independence, in every aspect, there are lawyers, and they are the social reformers basically. So
Right.
not only inspired by them, and I was basically inspired by the subject in it. Means we have a great scope of interacting with the people rather than sitting with the machines. We have a scope to interact with the society. That's the thing which I liked. And
A lot of students in their 9th and 10th are confused about which career to choose.
yes,
Did
sir.
you also have a confusion, or were you very focused from the beginning? You were very clear.
Actually, sir, what happened is in some 8th class or 9th class, my dad started counseling me in this aspect, sir.
Okay.
He said that there are 4 basic streams: MPC, BPC, MEC, and CEC. Mostly MEC and CEC are taken together. Means they are commerce streams, and other 2 are science streams. And there is a lack of there's a people in this lawyer field, sir. And he also said that engineering it's okay, but you will be removed or detached away from the society. Generally you will be sitting before the machines, and you will be creating, you will be coding, or you will be doing something. You will be detached from the society.
Okay.
So I think a lot, sir, and finally I chose this one.
I mean, it was a very big news when we got to know that after your first year results, that your score was
Yes, sir.
state second top,
Yes,
and
sir.
we were like, wow, like that's a big thing.
And that's because of college efforts also, sir, because the college has treated me as well as our students, CEC students, equally with the MPC students. You have given the same inspiration for MPC students as well as the CEC students. You have, I think, you remember, you have organized many this inspirational sessions, and
Yes.
on Saturdays we used to have some sessions.
Yeah.
It's equal with the MPC students, sir. That's all these things.
Generally, I have seen students who are into different activities. They participate into multiple events and activities, but Sriram was always into studies. How
Yes, sir.
how did you enjoy your college?
No, sir. One small thing is our CEC timing is 9 to 1.
Correct.
9 to 1. And from 1 o'clock to remaining the day, I used to study from 2 to 3 hours. And remaining day, I will be enjoying and engaging with different activities, no, sir. First year, I was completely into studies. No other non-academic activities, nothing. Complete into studies, because all the subjects are new to me. So I and the constitution aspect also will be coming in the intermediate second year, not in the first year. So first year I should concentrate more. So I was completely into academic. After completion of first year and announcing of all these results, firstly I went with my dad to all these courts and etc. I visited sub register officer firstly, sub register office and MRO office. There I have saw the situation and realized that till then I was thinking that, oh, lawyer will be, oh, super super, and we will be seeing in regular movies and cinema movies and serials and etc. There will be a bone kind of structure and etc. And there will be nothing, sir. Only one officer will be there and etc. And we have to manage him. So different kind, and it's a real life aspect which I have learned, and many practical things I have learned there, sir. And after that experience, I what do you say, I registered the first will of a person, old person, sir. That time, sir, I think in my intermediate second year, in October, one case came to me, sir, like it's on insurance aspect. And in October, I think 2019 2018 October, sorry, 2018 October, it came to us, sir. And dad was completely making reports, and he was calling all these grievance redressal mechanisms and etc. And uh, and I was not more towards that case. Means when our pre-finals are completed and we are about to enter the finals, I have developed some interest in that case, sir. Means first I have studied that reports made by my dad, and I have developed some interest. And after our exams were complete, I was only dealing in that case. Means dad was saying you deal with this case, and dad gave me phone, and I used to regularly call that grievance mechanism, and I used to regularly converse with them. And
Okay.
finally, sir, what happened is after this intermediate in November 13th, I think 2019 November 13th, this ombudsman will be there, sir. It's a sub, what do you say, sir? It's a tribunal kind of thing for all these insurance matters.
Hmm.
So on November 13th, 2019, I myself entered into the room of the judge, and I have started discussing regarding the case, sir, directly, because in this all these ombudsman matters, advocates role is nowhere. So
Okay.
no advocate should enter over there. So I said I introduced myself as a relative of my client,
Okay.
and I have entered and I have dealt the case, and I have won the case.
Wow.
It was the first success. First success. It was very good.
No, you have been very lucky to have your father around who
Yes, sir.
was
Very
getting
lucky.
cases and all. But
Yes, sir.
if a student is aspiring to get into law,
Yes,
how
sir.
can he or she start with some practical exposure? Where do they begin? If they don't have any lawyer at home, they don't have contacts, where do they start?
Sir, actually, what's the basic thing is, first we have to start from newspaper, sir.
Hmm.
In regional language, any regional language, you start with the newspaper. Not go, not do not start with any English paper kind of thing, and directly don't go to all these media channels and etc. First, you start with newspapers,
Local newspaper.
the local newspapers, or any other newspaper which is printed in mother tongue, etc. After studying it, sir, you will be generally getting towards a society. You will be knowing what's happening really in the society.
Hmm.
In the book, sir, it will be written something, and in the practical aspect, it is something other than what's happening in the books. So first, we should study the newspaper, read the newspaper, and so it's a kind of process, sir. First process is reading newspaper. First, it will be boring, but when we learn all these facts and ఎట్లా సార్ వాళ్ళు చేసే మాయని చూస్తే we will be towards it. How they will manage the things overnight, how they will change the situations. It's very good, sir. And after newspaper, sir, slowly substitute all these entertainment channels with this news channels, sir.
Okay.
What do you say, sir? You will be seeing something in the news channel. You
Hmm.
discuss the same thing with the other people. You go to parks and etc., where old people, all the aged people will be walking. Join with them and generally discuss the issues. They will start and we will be answering, and so that it's a practice, sir. Actually, while arguing in the court also, sir, first we must not fear. We must not have stage fear, because a judge is busy with many cases, almost 200 or 300 cases he will be dealing daily. So there's very less time. So you must not show your fear over there, so that you will
Hmm.
say, yeah, the case is adjourned, you go come next month or something, you see.
I mean, it's so good to see how you plan your life and your
Yes, sir.
focus. What keeps you so motivated and so focused in your life?
From 2019, when I have completed my inter second year, till 2020 till date, I have dealt some 20 to 30 cases, sir. I
Okay.
have lively seen, and I have also talked with the authorities, and I have dealt some cases, and some cases were completed also.
Hmm.
So when one case is completed, I feel too bad. అయ్యో ఇవాళ అయిపోయింది, మళ్ళీ రేపు ఏం కేసు వస్తుంది.
Okay.
Tomorrow something other case will be ready.
Hmm.
Then I
Hmm.
will be dealing with the authority. One thing I have learned in all this from 1 year is that when we are dealing with any case, you directly talk with the higher authority, so that he will be answering the issue correctly. When you become diluted, sir, when you concentrate on lower level, they will be concentrating how to divert the issue, and they will be more towards all these bribe kind of activities.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's why,
Hmm.
sir, directly first concentrate on top level thing. Then we will be exactly knowing the solution for the issue. And if the solution is not possible, then we have to anyway come to the lower level and we have to settle the issue. That's another
Right.
thing. First, we have to concentrate on top level, sir. That's the thing which I have learned from all this 1 year.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
And what keeps you motivated?
Sir, when new case comes, I am motivated.
Okay, so
That's the thing.
the problem keeps you motivated.
Yes, sir. I want to
Okay,
deal with that issue and I want to win the case. That's the
awesome,
thing.
awesome. Who are the top three influential people in your life?
Sir, my parents, both mother and father, first position.
Okay.
Then SV Rao sir.
Oh, okay.
SV Rao sir. Because sir, I need to share one thing, sir, here. Because after every we means in our college, sir, we will be regularly having all this weekend tests, sir. We will
Mm-hmm.
be remembering. And after 2 or 3 weekend tests, we will be having that regular report card and etc. So I used to attend this parent teacher meeting along with my father.
Hmm.
So at every parent teacher meeting, sir, after parent teacher meeting, after collecting all the reports and etc., I used to generally go to SVRAV sir's room,
Hmm.
and me and my father used to sit over there for few minutes.
Hmm.
During it has become as what is it? It has become a sentiment kind of thing.
It's a ritual now.
After every report, yes, sir. After every exam and after every parent teacher meeting, I should visit SVRAV sir.
Hmm.
He will be guiding me and he will be inspiring me also. Third person means the main person is my grandfather, sir. Actually, he expired in fourth class, I think, of mine,
Mhm.
and he was a regional manager of ET&D, sir. It's actually the first company which bought television to our India, sir.
Okay.
ET&T, Electronics Trade and Technology. He
Okay.
was a regional manager in that, sir. Hyderabad region was under him, and he was so good. That's why I like him.
What do you like in him?
So my grandfather, actually, sir, he is too fluent in English, and he was more towards the society.
Having said that your inspiration comes from your grandfather and then your parents and then you have your teachers. What is a philosophy of life that you have developed so far?
We have to adjust according to the situation, sir. And after getting adjusted, then we have to rise up. Before getting adjusted, only if you rise up, sir, you will be generally falling down. So first, you have to adjust according to the situation, and then you should be dealing with the things, sir. That's the philosophy.
If you have to give one advice to juniors and high school students, what would your advice be?
Yes, sir. My thing is, sir, not only for our CEC, sir. CEC, anyhow, they will be connected more into the society and they will be into society. It's common thing. For other students also, like MPC, BIPC, not only sit with the machines and gadgets, generally interact with the people so
Mm-hmm.
that you will not only not only you will be academically developed, you will also be developed as a human.
Yeah, yeah.
Humanistic approach is more important, sir.
So even a science student should be able to understand what kind of social problems are they solving by their
Yes, sir.
technology.
Actually, sir, that's lacking in our country, which is making our country still being a developed country. Sorry, developing country, not developed one. Not only a lawyer can change society, or not only a doctor can change the society. Everyone, when we are in a group, we can change the society because society is nothing but humans only, na, sir.
Mm-hmm.
If we want to change humans, we should go as a group and we have to change. Otherwise, we can't change, sir. For example, if all these software engineers, I don't want to say, but if they generally sit more with all these gadgets and instruments, they will not be more connected towards the society. So they will not be seeing all these social situations.
Yeah, I agree with you on one point. That is, every student needs to
Yes, sir.
understand what are the problems that are there on the ground and also understand the fact that every job, let it be software, let it be as a
Every job
lawyer,
is important for the
every
societies.
job is important for the society and every job is actually
Yes, sir.
contributing something to the society.
Yes, sir.
And another thing also is any software employee or anybody, for example, let's take a software company which is developing a mobile app for a bank. They're
Yes,
also
sir.
solving a problem thinking from the society
Yes,
point
sir.
of view that okay, people need not go to banks and go to ATMs. Let's try to build some system where they can sit at home and solve it from their mobile. I think
Yes, sir.
every product or every service today, even from the IT point of view, technology point of view, if it is a hit, it is hit because it has served something in the society, something very serious in the society. If there's one question that you have to ask me, what would that question
Yes,
be?
sir. Sir, it's not a question, sir, and I want to see you and our college at a greater height, sir. Now it's
Okay.
at this height, and it should reach the universe and dominate everyone. That's the thing, sir.
I think I would refine that statement and say not dominate everyone, but enable everyone, enable
Okay.
other colleges, other schools, and all. I always wanted to be a provider, an enabler, than a competitor or anybody, right? And
Yes, sir.
I'm always open to collaborate. If, for example, just imagine if tomorrow Sri Amoga Junior College does not exist also, but Sri Amoga as a concept to enable education will still exist.
Yes, sir.
The vision is getting achieved through a college. Tomorrow it might be achieved through some other platform, some other service. But at the
Yes,
end
sir.
of the day, I think we should all look at every business as uh, an enabler and not just as a competitor. Yes, competition is there, and
Competitor.
competition is important also from the economic point of view. But I look at Amoga as an enabler. Thanks a lot for that
Yes,
wish.
sir.
It was
Yes,
awesome interacting with
okay.
you. It was beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot for joining in.